Ipakita mo lang si ano, Baby Zek. Baby Zek. Georgie, say hi to nanay, ha? Georgie, this is for nanay. You say hi to nanay. No, this is another nanay in the Philippines. Your lola. You don't know your lola. Baby Zek, Baby Zek. Oh. Ayan, oh. Si nanay yan, ha? No, another nanay. Georgie, say hi to nanay. Say hi to nanay. I miss you, nanay. Oh, say hi to nanay na. Ito.
We're gonna do a transition.
Na.
From my tongue and then to G's.
What? No, you just say hi to nanay. Ate Pe.
And then stop the video and then...
What? It will be one video. Para kay nanay. Oh.
Kasi nalagyan sa ano. Tapos, parang
Nakikita ni nanay. Mga kakaiba. Si nanay to. Ipakita mo lang si ano, Baby Zek. Baby Zek. Georgie, say hi to nanay, ha? Georgie. This is for nanay. You say hi to nanay. No, this is another nanay in the Philippines. Your lola. You don't know your lola. Baby Zek, Baby Zek. Oh. Ayan, oh. Si nanay yan, ha? No, another nanay. Georgie, we're going to the best playground ever. We're going there. Wow, it's time to play. We're gonna play with the sand. Come, let's play. Yeah, she can play. She's a big girl now. She's a big girl.
Wow, ang daming yaya ni George.
Yes. I'm gonna catch you.
2, 3.
Is it okay?
Oh, let's go.
Again. You wanna try it again?
Again, one more?
Why?
Let's go here.
Is it too hot? Oh, let's go to the swimming pool. Okay, so you really want to swim. We're going where? So we're going to the swimming pool.
Going to the pool.
Where are you, Georgie? Where are we going, Georgie? Where are we going, Georgie?
Oh, where are we going?
To the best pool ever! Let's go, Georgie. Let's play. How many? You count. How many? 1. Pick it up. Pick it up.
Hanapin ko ngayon. Uy, baka matusok siya mo.
What? We're gonna pick it up. Look at my hand. Saw it? Look. Oh. Oh, how many shells do we have? Count. Count it. Get it. Are you happy, Georgie? Are you tired? Are you tired?
Butasin mo yung gitna.
Are you happy? Are you happy? Oh, it's time to go home. Let's go. Let's go.